Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl, it's a different thing, and I'm back with you with another so good menu today. But before I tell you what I'm making for you today, I want to welcome my old subscribers and also my new subscribers. You know all the thing go. I appreciate your love and your support. Now today I'm going to make for you a Jamaican so good menu. And this menu that I will be making for you today is called Jamaican brown stew fish. Brown stew fish is a delicacy in Jamaica. We like to eat brown stew fish, and a whole we like to eat fish. We have many different ways how we prepared our fish, but today I'm just showing you one of the way we prepare our fish. There I have two snapper on that plate, two beautiful snappers. I have some carrot over there. I have Scotch bonnet pepper. I have thyme. I have onion. I have scallion, and I also have two different bell peppers. I also have some oil over there. That's about a cup of oil. Yeah, you're gonna need 1 cup of oil to fry your fish. Now before you prepare your fish or season your fish, you're going to want to wash your fish with lime and also some vinegar. You also want to ensure that you take off all the scale, and if you buy a fish and the fish eye is sinking in, I recommend you don't buy it. So there I am going into the seasoning process, and I am slicing my fish. The reason why I'm slicing that fish is because you know we're going to season this fish so good. I have some seasoning that I will be working with to season this fish. I will be only frying my fish with some garlic, some Mediterranean seasoning, some black pepper, and I am also going to use some salt. So there I am seasoning my fish and putting in some salt on the fish, and I'm ensuring that you put the salt inside and out. After I finish putting the salt and the fish, then I am going to put some garlic powder. I like to use garlic because garlic is a natural antibiotic. So yeah, I like to use garlic, working with garlic. And so now I am putting in on some black pepper on my fish. You can season your fish with all the seasoning that you want to season with now, but I just like to fry it with just these seasoning, just the black pepper, the salt, the Mediterranean natural seasoning, and also I am going to rub on my Scotch bonnet pepper. You know Jamaican like spice. We are known for our spice and Jamaican seasoning. Jamaican jerk seasoning is a famous seasoning in Jamaica. It is very spicy, and it gives your food a very flavorful taste. And so there I am putting on my Mediterranean seasoning, and I am rubbing it on. And you're gonna want to season between the cuts. You have to cut your fish when you're frying it. Yeah, and so we're going to do all that now. So guys, just stick around and watch what I am doing, and I hope you enjoy this video. And there I'm using the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, that's a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I am just bathing my fish with the pepper because Jamaican loves spice. We love spice. Yes guys, Jamaica loves spice. And so just stick around. Like I said, don't go nowhere, don't change your dial, and I'm going to let this stay for. So guys, 5 minutes has passed, and this is the frying process, and there I have my pot on the stove, and I'm going to place my oil into the pot. You're going to want to ensure that your oil is properly heated, because if your oil is not properly heated, then you're going to have scrambled fish, and we don't want to have scrambled fish. We want to have nice firm fried fish. So ensure that your oil is properly heated before you put your fish into the oil. And so guys, just stick around and watch, and you will see what this two fish looks like when they are finished frying. And now these are finished frying, and I'm going to remove them from the oil. And after I remove them from the oil, then I am going to place by the same pot on the stove with some oil, and then I'm going to start the sauce for the fish. So there I have on the stove, I have some oil in that pot, and I'm placing in my Mediterranean seasoning. I am placing in my jerk seasoning, and like I said, we're well known for our jerk seasoning. Jerk seasoning is very nice, it's very spicy, and it gives your food a very flavorful taste. I'm also using a little chili flakes. I'm also using another pinch of salt, and I am also using some Premento seed or pepper seed, whichever way you want to call it, and I will be also using some ground garlic. I like to use a lot of garlic when I am cooking. And then I'm going to place in my other ingredients, my carrots, my bell pepper, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to place in my onion and my spring onion, my spring onion, or scallion as we call it in Jamaica. And I'm also going to place in my thyme, and you could also add rosemary to this. If you have rosemary at home, you could also add rosemary to this. And so there I'm just putting in all my ingredients, and then I am going to use just about 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons vinegar with this sauce. You could also use some teriyaki sauce, but we're not using, or some oyster sauce, but we're not using all of that. In Jamaica, the good old brown stew way, we just use some Grace tomato ketchup or some Heinz tomato ketchup, and that's it. So today I'll be squeezing just a little lime juice in this sauce, because the lime juice helps to keep down the rawness, like I said before. And there I'm putting in my ketchup, my 1 teaspoon of Heinz ketchup, and then I'll be putting in my vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and then I'll be adding just a little about 2 tablespoons of water, because we don't want the sauce to be too long and drawn out. We want our sauce to be thick. And so after I finish making the sauce, then I'm going to place my fish in the pot, and then I'm going to cover it and let it stay for 5 minutes. And now I'm just putting all the sauce over this so good fish, my so good brown stew fish, and then I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you'll see what it looks like when it is finished. So 5 minutes has passed, and this is what my brown stew fish looks like. And in Jamaica, we normally serve this with rice and peas, or we serve it with ground food, and this is what my so good menu looks like. And there I am serving it with some rice and peas. I'm serving it with also some vegetables, some cucumber, some radish, some carrot, and some tomato. I hope you guys enjoy what I did for you in the kitchen today. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below, and let me know what you would eat this menu with, what you would eat this fish with. You know, like I said, it's Jamaican delicacy, and it's very popular in Jamaica. And so guys, I will say until next time, walk good, take care of yourself, choose. You know this girl is totally out. Until next time, bye guys, see you next time.